Yet another entertainer has lost his life to gun violence, this time in Mandeville, Manchester. Hi again and welcome. This is Links007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links007 TV News Report. The local music fraternity has been plunged into mourning following the shooting death of rising entertainer EleganceGad. Social media was abuzz among Jamaicans on Wednesday as news spread that rising entertainer EleganceGad was gunned down around 2 a.m. in Mandeville. Scores of social media users took to various platforms offering condolences to his family and friends. The entertainer is known for recording songs under the Dunrich music label. The police have confirmed that the St. Elizabeth-based entertainer, whose real name is Orlando Simmet, was shot dead in Russell Place Meadows in Manchester. A 20-year-old female from an address in St. Elizabeth was also injured during the gun attack. It's reported that at around 2:40 a.m., the two were leaving a party at Russell's Place Meadows. Upon reaching Simmet's car, two gunmen attacked them and opened fire. Simmet succumbed to injuries at hospital. As daybreak and news spread of his taking out, his Instagram page at elegance_music saw a massive outpouring of kind sentiments. EleganceGad is known for singles such as Time Is Money, Levels Now, Insanity, and Mind Games. In 2021, several entertainers lost their lives. These include Father God, Kill Food, Paparazzi, Cashmere. These were all separate incidents that happened last year. Foota Hive's brother was also murdered, while dancehall artist D British was also killed in 2021. This year, dancehall artist Assailant was gunned down at a party in Los Angeles. This has been Links007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.